Hi, this is Cheryl from Joera Organics. I'm just popping on to give you a little bit of a update. Today in Ontario, we're having a little bit of a windstorm. So I do believe the winds had gotten up to about 110 kilometers today. So we were just a little bit concerned about our greenhouse and how it was going to withhold, as this was probably the highest winds that it has endured since we've built it. However, we just finished looking at it and everything seems to be okay. Of course, our greenhouse is made of 2 layers of poly. As you can see, there is debris falling on top of it, but there is no punctures or anything like that, and everything seems to be good and in working order. So yeah, everything seems to be fine. So we are really impressed with our little greenhouse here. I'm originally from Newfoundland, so 110 kilometers is not that bad for me. However, Ontario may feel different. But that's it. I just wanted to give you a little update on our little greenhouse and to let you know that, you know what, everything is going good. And so far, so good. She's beaten the test, or a couple tests actually right now. We did have below temperatures the other night, and we woke up the next morning and our greenhouse was still at 22 degrees. So we're pretty happy with that. Looks like the heating and cooling system we have in there is really doing what it's supposed to. Okay, thank you for watching.